You took one sip. Now you're sprinting to the bathroom. It happens within minutes, sometimes seconds. Coffee, the morning ritual, and the morning emergency. You assumed it was the caffeine. Everyone assumes that. The science says you're wrong. Decaf does it too, almost just as fast. So what's actually happening inside you? The answer involves your colon, a hormone, and a 1990 experiment. About 30% of people feel this urge after coffee. For them, it's not a quirk, it's a reflex. The story starts at a hospital in Houston, Texas. Dr. Satish Rao, a gastroenterologist at Baylor College of Medicine. In 1990, Rao and his team asked a strange question. Why does coffee, of all drinks, trigger this response? They recruited 14 healthy volunteers for the study. Some drank caffeinated coffee, some drank decaf, some drank hot water. Then they measured colon activity with a pressure probe. Within 4 minutes, the colon started contracting. Both caffeinated and decaf coffee triggered the response. Hot water did almost nothing. Temperature wasn't the answer. So caffeine alone couldn't explain it. Something else was happening. To understand why, meet a muscle called the colon. Specifically, the distal colon, the last stretch before exit. It has its own reflex called the gastrocolic response. When your stomach stretches or senses food, the colon wakes up. It's a signal, make room downstream, new cargo arriving. Coffee seems to hijack this signal with unusual speed. Rao's team measured contractions 60% stronger after coffee. 60% stronger than after a plain glass of water. The effect kicked in within 4 minutes of the first sip. That's faster than digestion. Food hasn't even reached the colon yet. So the signal isn't coming from digestion, it's coming from hormones. Coffee raises levels of a hormone called gastrin. Gastrin tells the stomach to produce acid and stay active. It also indirectly stimulates contractions further down the gut. Another hormone, cholecystokinin or CCK, spikes too. CCK normally responds to fats, signaling your gallbladder to empty. Coffee triggers CCK, even without any fat present. The body is essentially being tricked into a full digestive alert. Dr. Emmanuel, neurogastroenterologist at University College London. Emmanuel describes coffee as a near-perfect gut stimulant. The acids, the oils, the chlorogenic compounds all play a role. Chlorogenic acid alone increases stomach acid production significantly. Combined, these compounds wake up nerves lining your intestines. Those nerves form what scientists call the enteric nervous system. Some researchers nickname it the second brain in your belly. Research describes coffee as among the most potent dietary triggers for gut motility. But here's where everything changes. A 2019 study published in Scientific Reports tested coffee on rats. Even decaffeinated coffee suppressed gut bacteria and increased motility in animal models. So your morning cup isn't just waking up your brain. It's chemically negotiating with hormones, nerves, and trillions of microbes. Only about 1 in 3 people feel the urge strongly. Genetics, gut bacteria, and sensitivity all decide who runs to the bathroom. If you're in that group, you're not broken. You're wired sensitive. Doctors say no. A responsive colon is generally a sign of healthy gut function. The real concern would be if coffee stopped working entirely. That can signal slowing motility as we age. So next time coffee sends you sprinting, don't blame the caffeine. Blame your hormones, your nerves, and a very alert second brain. Your morning cup is doing far more than you ever realized.